Look how cute these little snow globe cookies are, and they're actually really easy to make, so I want to teach you how to make them today. First things first, we need to make our sugar cookie dough. This sugar cookie recipe is my favorite. There's only 6 ingredients. It's just like pantry staples, plus it tastes really good. So after we make our sugar cookie dough, we're going to use our cookie cutters to cut out the cookies. 2/3 of them will have the centers cut out just like this. And then we're going to use Laurent Oil's isomalt. It's super easy to use. You just use 4 parts powder to 1 part water. Boil that until it's 320 degrees, and then you'll pour it into your baked cookies. And then it's time to assemble. We assemble these with some royal icing. We layer them on top of each other to make that fun snow globe effect. You can decorate the top of your cookie however you like. This is what I like to do. Simple, cute, beginner friendly, but so fun and festive. You've got to give this one a try. They're so much fun.